Hi, welcome to Casablanca, one of the trendiest communities of villas on the Golden Mile, on the beachside. Presented by Engel Völkers, let me show you this house. Literally 200 meters from the house, here we are, Marbella's Beach Promenade. This place is full of restaurants, very good ones, where you can eat while admiring the sunset, Africa coast, Gibraltar, or just the people walking around. On that direction, the Marbella Club Hotel. Right here, the Marbella City Center. Not so far from here, the charming Marbella Old Town. Can you listen to the waves? It's the soundtrack of that location. I love it. But let's move on. There's a very special property to see. After only 2 minutes walk from the beach to the door, you step inside this wonderful and large outdoor area. On a plot of over 1,000 square meters, very easy to maintain, we find this beautiful growing vegetation, including olive, lemon and avocado trees. A little paradise in the city. And with so many places to sit outside, do you imagine a better place to enjoy with family and friends? I love it. When you don't have guests at home, where do you spend most of the time? Of course, in the kitchen. This very special one has it all. A breakfast table overlooking the pool, high-quality Nef and Miele appliances, a very big Silestone countertop, and plenty of space for all the kitchenware. But I want to show you an extra feature, something very difficult to find anywhere else. The perfect spot for your morning coffee. An integrated TV room. This house is almost 700 square meters built. The bedrooms are distributed in 2 wings. On the right side is the master bedroom with bathroom ensuite and 2 walk-in closets. An impressive terrace connects both sides. On the left wing, 3 large bedrooms, all with bathrooms included. Sharing a kitchenette, ideal for a midnight bite. With a modern Andalusian design, this house is a perfect combination between cozy living and Marbella's top lifestyle. And of course, underfloor heating throughout. Now you know what this house offers at daytime. In a moment, we're going to see how it looks at night. I'm sure you're gonna like it. The house has many entertainment areas, and this one is my favorite. Located on the lower level, this huge space offers great potential for a spa, a bar, a gym, a TV room, you name it. It really shows that the construction is outstanding and that the owners have built for themselves. Being so close to the sea, there's not one hint of humidity. Let's play, my friend.
Oh yeah!
The garage is huge. You can fit 5 or 6 cars in here. Big relief when you live so close to the city center. Sadly, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much for joining me on this tour. For more information about this great property, contact us at Engel Völkers Marbella Golden Mile. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. I hope to see you very, very soon.